Introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Maan Briones from Dico City, 24 years old, single, have two children. I study in Koreaso College in Basic of Education. I have 2 years work experience here in Philippines, uh, taking care of 9 months baby and adults 23 years old and 30 years old. My duty is taking care of baby and clean the house, wash the clothes, ironing, and gardening.
Okay, you've been work this family how long years?
2 years.
Okay, how many members in that family?
At 9 months baby and two adults.
Okay, meaning to say that one family is one child at 9 months old and the couple also, the parents, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, so you all around housemaid.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same time you are doing a household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like washing the clothes, ironing, and
Mm-hmm.
clean the house.
Okay, so the same time you took care a 9 months old baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course. So are you capable to taking care a newborn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, can you tell me how the way you taking care the newborn baby?
I change the diaper,
Mm-hmm.
clothes, and prepare for her things
Milk.
and milk.
Yes, a newborn baby is very sensitive. So yes, of course, you have a lot of patience and of course you check time to time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. For example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
I will check her first the diaper. If the diaper is not, then maybe he's hungry.
Mm-hmm. And then if that's still crying, maybe you have to,
Maybe I have to carry her.
yes, you have to comfort or maybe you have to check the body temperature maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if that the baby is not feeling well and get fever, so what will you do?
I will give her the medicine
Mm-hmm.
like
Yes. If the baby is not feeling well or get fever, so of course you inform immediately to your boss, the employer, the parents that the baby is not feeling well,
yes, ma'am.
and you are not going to give a medicine without the advice from the doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to give a first aid also.
Yes, ma'am.
First, the necessary is you give a first aid and you rush to the hospital
Yes.
if needed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
I will sing the nursery rhymes that I know is Twinkle Twinkle.
Okay, go on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, yes. Thank you very much about that. Okay, then why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to work because they have more opportunity and high salary for my family.
Mm-hmm. You have a child already?
Yes, ma'am.
How old?
My firstborn is 4 years old and my second is 3 months old.
Oh, still a baby, still newborn. So are you ready to go work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who taking care of your two child when you go away?
My mother and my husband.
Okay. Yes. So of course, we need a work. So you need to go to work abroad because the future of your two child. So then yes, because we are a mother, we have prioritize about the future of our family, and yes, of course, to earn more much for saving for the education. Okay, yes. So then, if you are luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to future employer?
My only message is I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract and will prove that I am more qualified for the opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
And yes, of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, your employer requests not Saturday, Sunday holidays. Are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back for overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And you promise that you cannot involved in the bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.